Tirunelveli, a land where the five undenied landscapes once shaped human emotion, where rivers carried stories, where temples held time still, and where nature and culture breathed as one for more than 3,200 years. It was here, in the quiet, sacred village of Tirukkurungudi, that our parent company founder, Sri T.V. Sundaram was born. And it was here, on this very soil, that Sundaram Finance opened the doors of its Tirunelveli branch in 1960. As the world changed, this land shaped us, steadied us, and stayed with us. And so, in gratitude, we chose to return to it what it had given us: care, respect, and a promise. Joining hands with ATREE, the Ashoka Trust for Research in Ecology and Environment, a globally recognized institution devoted to conservation, we began a quiet revolution of restoration. Since 2019, together we are bringing Temple Nandavanams back to life, reviving deserted ponds, wetlands and grasslands, protecting native and medicinal species, raising nearly 10,000 saplings every year, and through the Wetland Rovers program, helping children discover wonder in the outdoors, seeding a love for nature in them like the first monsoon on parched earth. Marking the Diamond Jubilee of our Tirunelveli branch in November 2025, 20 employees from Tirunelveli and Tenkasi arrived at Melapattam Nandavanam, a village near Tirunelveli. Together they placed 92 native saplings into the earth, each sapling a gesture of gratitude, each one a living story, each one an offering to the land that shaped who we are. Sundaram Finance and ATREE, honoring our birthplace, preserving our landscapes, 60 years in Tirunelveli, a legacy rooted in gratitude. Adding to this celebration, Tirunelveli was awarded first prize in the Best District South Zone category for water conservation and management in the 6th National Water Awards. We are delighted that the Sundaram ATREE conservation projects were major contributors to this achievement.